Skeleton Crew, Bubblegum, Sensible Moon, Sound the Space Cadet, and thousands of cheats. Yes, other magazines have brought you demos of Sensible World of Soccer, but our exclusive demo really is out of this world in more ways than one. Shooting Sensible software. Sensible golf in the making. Possibly. SimCity 2000. Alien Breed Tower Assault. Power Drive. Yeah. I found that Power Drive. I found it through playing the Lotus Esprit Turbo games on the SNES. Forgotten what they're called. Mr. Blobby. Top Gear it's called, I think, yeah. Aladdin. The Amiga and SNES version. The Sega version is completely different. Super Stardust again. Must be popular for some reason. Lords of the Realm. And that's about it. Giving the game away, Dark Seed. Alright. I just want to show you one of the reasons for buying books. Now this is the condition that one load of Amiga magazines arrived on my doorstep. So ripped cover, pages missing. So I bought that in a bunch of 10. Absolute garbage. So I bought another batch, I guess you could say that. Put them side by side. And you can see that, yeah, this one's still in good nick, $18.95. That's the price I paid for this back in the day. And it's the price I paid for this copy on Trade Me in 2020. So, yeah. So, sometimes it's a mixed bag. Sometimes you get magazines that are absolutely... Look, here's the worst one. I've hidden it because I didn't want it to be on camera. I mean, what did people do? All my magazines, my ones on the shelf are untouched. But, I mean, who's done that? Yeah, well, I know it's a 30-year-old magazine, but it still means something to me as I work through. I'm still learning Octamed. So, yeah. So, sound sampler. I think there was something down here that you cut out with your name and address, might have been. Anywho, so there's the good and the bad and the ugly of buying the magazines you used to own and threw away, and you want them back because you're such an idiot when you threw them away.